Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to learn how to shuffle. I've completely broken it down step by step, each movement. Every weekend, people come up to me and ask me how to shuffle, so I thought I would make a video. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to place your feet. I'm going to show you how to shift your weight whenever you're shuffling. And the main thing is to match your feet up to the beat of the music. And then you'll be able to add things later on, like the running man, the T-step. And then you'll be able to add other movements to it. And even the half running man. But shuffling's like really fun and everything. It's good exercise, but this will really break it down and you'll know exactly what to do. And it'll be like much easier to learn how to shuffle dance. Okay, the main position in shuffling is whenever your feet are in this V position right here and your heels are together. And what's important about your heels being together is that this is where the beat of the music is. Whenever your feet are apart from one another, you're in between the beats of the music. Whenever you're shuffling like this, what's going on here is whenever you have one of your feet in the air, your heels are pointing away from each other. Whenever you take a step and put your feet back down again, your heels are pointed back at each other. Whenever the other foot goes in the air, the heels are apart. And whenever they come back down again, they're together. And that's where the beat of the music is. And I will stomp on the ground so that you can hear where the beat of the music is. Like that. Okay, here is how you shift your weight whenever you're shuffling and where the energy is going. But you have to pretend that there's an imaginary line or an object in the middle, and you're just stepping over that object and putting both of your feet on the other side of it. So you're basically just stepping over from outside to outside. The inside leg always remains really lightweight. In fact, you'd never even really have to put it down on the ground if you don't want. See, the inside leg, there's just no real weight on it. All of the weight of your body is going to this outside foot. So you're lifting your whole entire body weight like this on the outside. This just barely touches the ground and it remains real light. So the energy that you're putting into the shuffle, you do it on this leg. That's where all the hard work is. And then you take a break with this leg for 2 movements. And then you go back to the other leg again, and then you give this leg a break. Like that. So there's really no load on the inside leg. All the weight is on the outside leg. The outside leg is the one that does most of the work. And then you alternate from one side to the other, and it's like it gives you a lot of time for your inside leg to relax and take a break. So it's actually easier than just jumping rope, because whenever you jump rope, you're lifting your whole body weight all the time. So I think it's a little bit more difficult, but whenever you can alternate, it actually makes it a little bit easier. It gives you time to take a break, and it doesn't take as much energy as you would think to shuffle. whenever you're shuffling, what you're basically doing is you're doing a two-step while moving your heels 4 times. Like that. So you're going, like this is 1, and then this is 2, and then this is 1 again. So it's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 again. But if you count the movement of your heels, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're moving your heels 4 times, but you're only moving your feet 1, 2, 1, 2. So basically that's what's going on. Okay, in order to help shift your weight from one side to another, like this, I'm going to move back here and use this. But what you do is you put just a little bit of weight on this leg right here. It's really, really light, and you're pivoting on your toe, and your heel goes up and down like this. And then this leg and this foot has all the weight on it. And what you do is you lift and drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Like that. And then whenever your heel goes to the inside like this heel comes down so that the two heels meet. So this one's going up and down, whereas this one's going, you're kind of hopping side to side because all of your weight is on this side over here. So all you do is this. And next, what you do is you make this even lighter. As you go like this, you can lift this leg off the ground. And then you just think about your heels coming together, 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 like that. And once you get that down, you could start moving your foot like this. Just keep all your weight here for now while you're practicing this. But you just go like that. You just move this foot over here and then back. And most of your weight is on this leg right here. Like that. You can move it in front of you or behind you. Like that. And once you figure out how to do this right here, as you're doing that, what you do is you just make the final leap, and then you just jump over onto this leg. Instead of just simply moving your foot over there, you just kind of jump over here, and then you just switch it. You just do this on this side, and then this on that side. And then you finally just jump over, and basically it gets you back to this. You jump over to here, and then you jump over to here. And that is my tutorial for right now. Tell me in the comments below if this video helped you to shuffle, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.